Okay, so right here, I'm literally just parting from ear to ear to get my ponytail part section off. And then you will see me do about four, I do believe, large braids just to get my hair ready to be molded down. And right here, you don't have to worry about if your part is perfectly done because once all of the hair is in, your part from ear to ear will pretty much not even be visible.
Don't let me walk on you tonight. Don't let me walk on.
And now I have all four braids in, so I'm just braiding those together and I'm going to tack it down, which means I'm just going to sew it down so that it's flat to get ready to go ahead and start the quick weave. And also, I did put a little bit of oil. You want to be careful with using too much oil when you're doing a quick weave because you will be using glue. So I just lightly oil between my parts. So I'm just showing y'all what type of gel I use, which is Gorilla Snot, and it is super thick. So you saw I turned the jar upside down and it did not come out. Also, I'm just gelling down like little flyaway hairs and stuff like that. So when I go ahead and start to glue the tracks in, it is just really smooth and it will adhere to the gel and not so much my hair. Okay, so now I'm just going in with some Got to Be spray, and that's just gonna make it extra hard. Instead of me using like a wig cap or something like that, I use that Gorilla Snot Gel, which will make it very hard, and the Got to Be spray. So when I get ready to take the quick weave out, it will, like I said, adhere more to the gel and products than my hair. And I'm blow drying it just to make it like extra dry and crispy. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the type of hair that I'm using, and I will have this stuff in the description box so that y'all can read it, because it is kind of going by fast. But this is just some blend hair, and what I mean by blend is it is human and synthetic mix, and I just got it in my local beauty supply, and it was about $19, and that whole pack will do your whole head. But I'm only gonna use like 2 bundles, and I'm using the middle size bundle and the shortest bundle to do this style. So I do have the longest bundle, which I can use at a later date just to do like a full ponytail if I wanted to do that. I didn't want it really long, and this hairstyle doesn't require so much hair, so I did not have to use all 3 bundles for this half up half down style.
Don't let me walk on you tonight. Don't let me walk on you tonight. You. Don't let me walk on you.
And right here, I'm literally just measuring the track, cutting it to the length of my head, and literally just gluing it in. This is just like very simple and basic right here what I'm doing. Okay, so you saw me blow drying it, and blow drying just really dries the glue very fast and have the track go ahead and stick exactly where you put it. And right now I'm starting on the smallest bundle because I'm at the very top, as you can tell. So I'll use some of the smallest bundle to finish that little bit at the top of my head, and then I'll use the rest of the smaller bundle to actually do my ponytail. So now I'm just literally shaping the front and making it how I want it to be. This is where you would do any baby hairs or whatever if you wanted to do that. I just like mine kind of curved and swooped up a little bit, as you can tell. Just looking real neat and clean. Okay, so I sped this part up really fast because it took me a second to position my arms and hands right to wrap that track, because I was gluing it in instead of using like hairpins and stuff like that to put it in. This was my very first time actually gluing my own ponytail in. So as you can kind of tell, I'm kind of struggling just a little bit, but I did manage to perfect it and it turned out great. But that's what you see me doing here, gluing it down on the little small piece of my ponytail that I left out. And of course, blow drying it again just to make it go ahead and freeze quicker in the position that I put it in. Okay, so now I have the ponytail all the way in the way I want it. And I'm taking some hair from the back of the ponytail. And what I'm going to do is wrap that hair around the tracks so that they are not visible. As you can kind of see right there, I'm going to gel it down and spray it with some hairspray just so that it is as smooth as possible. So right here, I will be just using some foam wrap lotion. This is just to define the curls. And I'm combing through it kind of with my fingers to get any little random hairs. Because when you cut the track, hair will come out. So that's what you see me doing right here. And again, I'm just positioning it and making it look juicy and finger combing it. But this is the finished product. Okay, so I'm just going to show y'all the whole look, of course. Y'all know I'm going to give y'all a 360. I love how this turned out. I love the length on this. This is why I use the middle bundle and the shortest bundle for the ponytail. But it turned out great. Absolutely love it. Really clean and simple little look. And y'all know we are out.